Hi all, welcome back. In this video we will see how git rebase works. In the previous video we saw about git merge command, and this is the flow that we saw. So we have a main branch and also dev branch. You can see it in the color coding. So dev is yellow and the main is blue, and it branched out from a commit called add launch browser, and then main has its own commit and dev has its own commit. So this is what the scenario that we saw it in the previous git merge example. And when we run git merge, and we saw there is a new merge commit that was created, and the two branches got tied into that particular commit. So this is how the git merge command works. And there is another way to merge the contents of two branches, that is called rebase. We will try that command and then we will see the output. Currently we are in branch main, okay, and we want to have the dev contents rebased with the main. Okay, so first I'll write down the commit details of main. So this is the main commit, and then I'll also print the commits of dev. Okay, so two commits, and then here we have two commits. So I'll run the command rebase, and then I'll put the dev branch. Okay, I'll run it. So it says successfully rebased and updated. In the left hand side you can see how it got rebased. Let me take the screenshot of merge. We can do a cross check on this one. So add launch browser we have, and then we had the two separate branch, and then you can see the traverse. So here you can see a merge or commit from dev, right? And then there is one more sorry, not one more, there is a separate new commit on the main branch, right? And in the rebase part, how it is getting organized, the main branch, we were in the main branch and we tried to merge or rebase with dev, right? So what happened is it placed the dev branch new commits first, and then on top of that the main branch commits was placed. So if you see here in this example, we have this commit as common for both the branch, okay, and then this is the dev branch commit. So on top of this dev branch commit was placed, and then on top of this the main branch commit was placed. So how this works is, let me say this to you in this text file. Let's say main branch, I have a commit called m1 and then m2, okay, and dev branch we have a commit called d1 and let's say d2, okay. And if we and we want to merge, sorry, not this, and from main, okay, and we want to hit rebase dev, okay. So what happens is, first it will put the developer branch commits first, okay, and then it will take the new main branch commits m1 and m2. So if you have a common commit, say for example say it's a base commit, okay, from where the dev branch got started. So if you can take this one, okay, so if you let me copy this So this is the commit. Okay, say this is the commit bc. Okay, and then dev also started with this commit because we created dev branch from the main branch. Okay, now it will look like this at the end. After rebase command is done, it will put the base commit first, and then if we run dev git rebase dev on main, then it will take the dev new commits and then it put it first, and then it will take the main branch commits and apply it, so that we can see a linear tree. So this is straightforward tree, but if you see it in the git merge, it is having a different way of connecting. Okay, so this is how the rebase works. And when you see here, it is trying to put the dev commits first, and then it applies the main branch commit on top of the dev, right? So when it tries to apply the main branch commit on top of dev commits, the reapplication will have the new commit ID. Okay, so that means this is dev branch, sorry, this is main branch commit ID. Okay, before rebasing command execution. And if we run, so currently we are in main branch. Okay, and we ran git rebase here. Okay, and if you see git log now, okay, so update from main branch launch browser, update from main branch launch browser, you can see the commit ID got changed. Why it changed is when we do git rebase, git tries to take this commit and then apply it on top of the dev commit. Okay, so when it tries to reapply it, it will change the commit ID. Okay, so this is how the rebase works. Thanks for watching.